Hi there, students. Lame. Lame, an adjective. Lamely, the adverb. Lameness, the noun for the quality. Okay, very often we use this for animals. You can use it for people as well. If an animal is lame, it's not able to walk properly because it's injured its foot or it's injured its leg. So the racehorse was unable to compete because it was lame. Yeah, because it couldn't walk properly. It had injured its leg. Okay. I'm a bit lame today because I twisted my ankle. Yeah, so if you're lame, you move with difficulty because you've got an injury, or some sort of defect. You could have a lame arm or a lame shoulder as well, a lame muscle, but more commonly it's used for the legs. If you're lame, you can't use something properly. Now, be careful with this because lame is used as a bit of an insult. Yeah, a lame excuse means it's weak, it's unsatisfactory, it's no good. Yeah, so the dog ate my homework, sir. It's a really lame excuse. Okay, he lamely claimed that he'd lost his homework on the way to school. Okay, so lame. If you call a person lame, this is particularly common with in the US. You're saying that a person is socially inept. Yeah. He told some very lame jokes. Yeah. Okay, that it didn't have any substance. Lame is not cool. Yeah, her boyfriend is just so lame. Yeah, don't go to that club, it's really lame, it's inferior. Yeah, you also have this phrase, a lame duck. A lame duck is a person or a thing or an organization that's very unsuccessful. Yeah. So the company has many good employees, but they're one or two lame ducks. Okay, they're not very good at this. He keeps trying to implement this lame duck policy, but it just doesn't work. You could have a lame duck president or a lame duck official. Let's see, to me, I think you could use this in both ways, that they're not very good, yeah. But I think technically a lame duck president is a president who is still president, but they have much less power because the person who's going to take their place has already been elected. Yeah, so after the elections, the president continues to be president until the handover takes place. But that's the period where you have a lame duck president. Yeah, normally I think in those periods of time they give presidential pardons and things like that. Okay, so lame. Yeah, a lame joke. A naive, inept joke. Come on, don't be so lame. Don't be so pathetic. So lame, uncool, not socially acceptable. A lame excuse. Yeah. He made a lame attempt to do it, so not effective and not very enthusiastic, uninspiring. Something that's lame could be very conventional as well. Don't confuse this word with lame. The E has an accent on it. A lame suit, a lame dress. This is the textile has gold or silver threads running through it, and it's normally quite shiny. Okay, yeah. So he I thought that his lame dress was rather lame. It was not the right thing to wear. Yeah, wearing a lame suit for a funeral is rather a lame thing to do. Okay, so he made a lame try. Yeah, inadequate, uninspiring. Yeah, I'm lame because I twisted my ankle. I can't walk properly. Yeah, this product is a lame duck and we seem to be losing money on it. It's just not effective. It doesn't sell. Yeah, this teacher is just so lame. He's traditional and ineffectual. Yeah, the party was really lame. It was boring and uninteresting. The film is lame because of the lameness of the plot. Yeah, the horse couldn't run due to lameness. Yeah, he lamely finished the walk home after twisting his ankle and hurting himself. So let's see. The horse is lame. 5 informality. Use anywhere. A lame excuse. 3.5 informality. Use only informally. Yeah, the party was lame. 3.5 informality. He was telling lame jokes. 3.5 informality. Yeah, but he lamely hobbled home. He limped home. 5 informality. Use anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, let's see. There's an Old English word lama, meaning lame, from Proto-Germanic lamaz, meaning lame, from Proto-Indo-European lem, to crush, to squash, or fragile. So, I hope the video wasn't too lame. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lame, lamely, lameness.